This is the view from the attic. So where I'm standing is from the house, and it's on a hill. 1, 2, 3, 4 stories up in the air. Yep, you can hear that wind blowing. The good thing is that since the wind's blowing this much, I really don't have too much of a snow accumulation except for that side of the house. If it were getting any higher, I'd be worried. But I do have one heavy spot right there. That could be a problem. That's a lot of weight. So I have a broken foot, so I can't shovel it this time. So I'm gonna have to pray a lot, but it don't do very much damage. So for all my cousins in California, Colorado, and Texas enjoying the sun, well, except for Colorado, they're getting snow for sure. You know what? We get to build snowmans, and you don't. Wow, that is really hard.